So I finally got round to doing this video. It's a really popular product that's been flying off the shelves. This is a loofah. So we've got a few of these loofahs. This is a bath time one, shaped like a heart, cute. And there's also washing up pads and cleaning pads. So these you can replace all your normal, maybe your exfoliating glove or whatever you use in the shower, your washing up, whatever you use for that as well, normal scrubber, and then cleaning instead of using those. Lots of people use those, they're like the face wipes that you have, but you just pull them out and you clean a surface. Instead, you can use one of these. These are amazing. They're a completely natural product. So they come from a loofah plant, which is kind of like a cucumber plant, and it grows in Egypt. And these, when they get in contact with water, they increase in size, and then you just use them as normal. They're completely natural, they're amazing, and they biodegrade. So once you're finished with it, you've got no problems like you would normally have, the guilt of it going into the bin and then into the general waste. This is all natural, so it will completely disappear. So yeah, like I said, we've got this one, and then we've got the other two. So this is for showering or bath, and then there's also the one for washing your dishes and for general cleaning. So perfect, really. So these are available, and go grab yourself one because we had to order them again because they're so popular.